Hey everyone, welcome back to Better TOEFL Scores. If you're preparing for the TOEFL, especially the integrated writing task, then you need to understand how to write strong topic sentences. They're one of the most powerful tools you can use to organize your writing and impress TOEFL raters, whether they be machines or humans. In this video, I'm going to explain what topic sentences are, how they're different from thesis statements, give you 5 easy strategies to use them, and show you a model TOEFL response for the strong topic sentences. Let's get started. So what is a topic sentence? A topic sentence is the first sentence in each body paragraph. It tells the reader exactly what that paragraph is about. In the TOEFL integrated writing task, this is how you clearly show how the lecture challenges each point in the reading. Let's talk about topic sentences versus thesis statements. A lot of students get confused between a topic sentence and a thesis statement, so let's break it down. Thesis statements. They're typically found in the introduction. They summarize the overall relationship between the lecture and the reading. A topic sentence begins each body paragraph. It summarizes just one lecture that contradicts the reading. So think of your thesis as the big picture, and your topic sentences are the smaller puzzle pieces that support the big picture. Let's talk about 5 smart strategies you can use right now to write better topic sentences on test day. Number 1. Start with contrast phrases. Things like, however, the professor argues that, or in contrast to the reading, the lecturer believes. Number 2, summarize the lecture's idea. Your topic sentence should introduce the lecture's point, not the readings. Don't repeat the reading. Remember, your job is to show how the lecture challenges the reading, so your focus needs to be on the professor's side. Number 4, be short and clear. Keep your topic sentence to just one clear sentence. Simplicity always wins. Number 5, follow the reading's order. If the reading gives 3 reasons and the lecturer refutes them in the same order, match that structure in your paragraphs. If you can get these right, your essay will flow logically and impressively. So let's take a look at a model TOEFL integrated writing response. I want you to pay attention to how each paragraph begins with a clear topic sentence. So let's suppose that you're reading a passage about eco-certification. And then you want to introduce in the introduction the points of the reading and the lecture. So you might say something like this. The reading says eco-certification helps protect the environment and gives 3 benefits. The lecturer disagrees with each one. So for paragraph 1, the topic sentence will sound something like this. First, the professor challenges a claim that consumers will favor certified wood simply because of the eco label. In the second paragraph, your topic sentence may resemble, second, the professor refutes the idea that eco-certification helps companies compete internationally. And then in paragraph 3, your topic sentence may sound like this. Finally, the lecturer contradicts the reading's claim that eco-certification builds consumer trust. So notice how the topic sentences are integrative by nature, which means they're integrating the most important point from the reading with the most important point from the lecture. And that's exactly what the TOEFL IBT human raters are looking for. So let's take a look at some final tips. Topic sentences aren't just good writing, they're essential for organizing your thoughts, staying on track, and earning a high TOEFL score. Start with a contrast, focus on the lecture, keep it short and specific, and match the reading's order. And hey, if you want feedback on your TOEFL writing, check out my 99-month speaking and writing feedback service at bettertoeflscores.com. I'll review your essays, give you scores, and show you exactly what you need to do to improve. Thanks for watching. Hit that button if you found this useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips to boost your TOEFL score.